Hello everyone. In this lesson, I will tell you a simple plan to learn English. If you follow this plan every week, your English will slowly become better. But first, you need a few things. Like you need 1 hour every day, Monday to Friday, a notebook, a pen, one English song, one English book, one English TV show. If you have only 30 minutes, that is okay. Just do the same plan for a shorter time. Now let's start. Monday, reading day. On Monday, you should read in English. Choose a simple English book. It can be a short story, a graded reader, or an easy novel. Read for about 30 minutes. While reading, write new words in your notebook. Write the meaning of the words. Try to understand the story. Reading helps you learning new vocabulary, understanding grammar naturally, and to see how English sentences work. Tuesday, listening day. Listening helps your brain get used to English sound. On Tuesday, you should practice listening. Watch an English TV show or YouTube video. First watch with subtitles, then watch again without subtitles, and listen carefully to pronunciation, common sentences, and how people speak naturally. Wednesday, writing day. On Wednesday, practice writing. Writing helps you remembering vocabulary, practicing grammar, and expressing your ideas. Write something simple in English, for example, your daily routine, what you did today, your plans for tomorrow. Write for about 40 to 30 minutes and do not worry about the mistakes. Now, Thursday, speaking day. On Thursday, practice speaking. Speaking is very important and it helps you build confidence. You can speak with your friends and you can speak with a language partner, and also you can speak alone. You can talk about your day, your hobbies, your work or school, the TV show you watched. Okay? Now, Friday, music day. On Friday, learn English with music. Choose one simple song you like. Step 1, listen to the song. Step 2, read the lyrics. Step 3, listen again and sing along. Write new words or phrases in your notebook. Music helps you remembering words, improving pronunciation, enjoying learning English. So your week will look like this. Monday, reading. Tuesday, listening. Wednesday, writing. Thursday, speaking. Friday, music. Do this every week. And do not try to learn English very fast. Language learning takes time and patience. The most important thing is practice every day. Even 30 minutes every day can change your English. Okay? So that's it for today. See you in next video.